Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to lock and hide a WhatsApp chat. So WhatsApp recently released a new feature where we can easily hide any specific chat using lock chat feature. To get the locked chat feature on your WhatsApp, you have to update your WhatsApp app first. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for WhatsApp. And if you see any update available, just update your WhatsApp app. Then go to your WhatsApp app and open the chat or WhatsApp contact which you want to lock and hide. And now once you are in the WhatsApp chat, just tap on the chat name at the top. And here scroll down and here you will see this option lock chat. So all you have to do is just enable chat lock option. And here we can see use your face or fingerprint to open this chat and read notifications on this device. Now just tap on continue. And now you have to verify your face ID or fingerprint to lock the specific chat. And note one thing that currently WhatsApp doesn't provide us to lock a conversation using pattern or passcode. So you have to use face ID or fingerprint options to lock the WhatsApp chat. So I'm going to verify my fingerprint. Once done, as you can see, the chat has been successfully locked. Now I'm going to my WhatsApp homepage, and as you can see, the chat has been successfully removed from my WhatsApp homepage or chat list because the chat is locked now. Now I'll show you how to find out all of your locked chat. From your WhatsApp homepage, you have to scroll to the bottom like this. Then the locked chat folder will be visible at the top of the chat list. Now just tap on locked chat. And now verify your face ID or fingerprint. Once the locked chat folder unlocked, here you will find all of your locked chats. From here you will be able to easily open any locked chat. And to unlock any chat, again come to this locked chat section, go to the chat, tap on the chat name and just disable chat lock option, verify your identity, and the chat will be unlocked. So this is how we can hide and lock WhatsApp chats. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.